Well, Dr. Deshpande, the new alternative which has come out for weight loss is basically the weight loss drugs, semaglutide tablets by Novo Nordisk. The oral form is available in India. How helpful is it when it comes to weight loss? How revolutionary is it to treat obesity?
Yeah. So the oral semaglutide is revolutionary in the sense that a peptide molecule has been put in the form of a pill, and this is the first time ever any peptide has come in a pill. As far as oral semaglutide is concerned, the dose that is available now the world over is actually meant to treat diabetes, and it does cause weight loss, but not the amount of weight loss that would accrue from the anti-obesity dose of semaglutide, which is injectable. So Wegovy is the drug that is actually licensed for use even in India, but not available for obesity. So you need higher doses of the same GLP-1 agonist for weight loss than for anti-diabetes effects. So yes, it does cause weight loss. And at the moment, it is licensed for use in India, the oral one only for diabetes.
Okay, all right. But what are the side effects of these weight loss drugs, Dr. Deshpande? They've been linked to a rare eye condition which can probably cause vision loss. There is a debate on mental health implications of it as well, and whether it, actually helps in terms of dementia and whether it, causes suicidal tendencies as well. So the debate is really out there on terms of the side effects of weight loss drugs. What would you recommend?
Yeah, so the short-term weight loss, the short-term side effects that are there, well, yes, everyone knows them, it's accepted. They are gastrointestinal, and that actually is expected. However, the other things that you talk about, the rare eye condition, the suicidal tendencies, the depression, or whatever it is, all of these are few and far between. And any drug that comes into the market is well researched. Nowadays, we have huge numbers of patients who have actually taken the drug. There are huge clinical trials. So when a drug is approved by the regulatory bodies, it means that the risk benefit ratio has been calculated, which means to say that the benefits far outweigh the risks of these rare conditions for which there is a warning, we know about it, and we are vigilant about it. So, as such, I would not preclude the use of these drugs just based on these small and rare side effects. The benefits that are there to the population are far more than these.
Okay. All right. Who do you then, Dr. Deshpande, recommend it to, and what happens when you stop using those drugs? Do you put the weight back on?
Yes. So, to answer your second question first, whenever you stop taking any drug, whether it's diabetes, blood pressure, or it is weight loss, if you stop taking the drug, it's not going to act, and that's very, very obvious. Having said that, once a person starts taking this drug, today there is no recommendation of when to stop it. So, for all practical purposes, we just say that it has to be taken long term. But once a person gets lighter, we hope and expect that that person starts to do more physical activity. And there could be a way in the future where we could start actually de-prescribing or de-escalating at least the doses of these particular drugs. But as of now, they have to be taken long term for the effect to last.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.